I am. Hey everybody, welcome back to a fun episode. It's a little early yet, it's about 7:30. It looks bright out, but the sun just came up. Yeah, that's Wisconsin. About 7:30, quarter to 8, that's when the sun... But if you notice, right down here, we have our table all done. We're gonna start our computer build today, meaning I'm gonna struggle with trying to build a computer and put it together, and hopefully I bought all the right parts. So, enjoy this. Bush, now bush, now bush. Just as a disclaimer, I don't know exactly what I'm doing when it comes to putting together computers. I did it a couple of times when I was in college, but that was like 1997. So I'm watching a YouTube video on a guy. I'll show you what he does. This is the guy I'm watching. It's Matt. Who is Matt? So look at, he's right there. He's a beard guy. Look at, he's a happy little beard guy. I'm watching his video on how to put stuff together because I'm not 100% sure. So if you think I'm a professional, oh no. Instruction sheet because I'm 100% not comfortable with this. Why didn't you organize the screws for me? You jerkwad. They didn't organize any of the god screws. A PSU. God, I don't know what things are. No! Oh my God, really? Look. Okay, look. Can you notice a difference between those two barely? I mean, my goodness. So according to the video and the instructions in the computer case, the first thing we do is the power supply. And this is why you build a big computer desk, so you have lots of room to put together your computer. It is recommended to install the power supply with the fan facing down. However, if your case places the power supply at the bottom of the case and there are no ventilation holes, it may be best to install the power supply with the fan facing up. So in real life, it doesn't matter where you put the fan. Like, really? Salvador Dali, so really? I know what you're thinking, I know just something. Okay. I don't know what to do next, so I gotta watch the video and read instructions. So I'm gonna pause it because it's boring, just so you know. So, now we are doing the motherboard, I guess. Oh man, look at all these cords. What? No, not dealing with it, Okay, how to install our memory. Oh my God. That is the smallest freaking screw. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, look at all the instructions. Quick, really? Look at. Quick install guide. Whatever. I could not tell you if I do it from the front or the back. You jerkwad, man. You think that's funny? I see how you go in. I understand. I have a master's degree. I'm just not confident. Ow! This is the little faceplate you put on so the motherboard ports can come out here. It wedges itself in there. And that's the hardest part, is there's no instructions on how to put this in. The instructions say install the motherboard. So we're figuring it out. You won't beat me. No chance. There, suck on that. Instructions in my butt. Install the motherboard. Okay, what I did off camera was I installed the motherboard and I had to do little things on it. So what I was doing off camera was these little mounting pegs. You can screw them out, put them in different places, because those have to line up with the holes on your motherboard. So that's what I was doing off camera. So I can hopefully just install it now. It seems good. The hardest part is still that little plate right here. But I read the instructions. Well, I didn't read the instructions. I watched the video. And next should be the processor installing the CPU instructions. It shows you 3 pictures and 0 text. So that's why we watch YouTube videos. Alright, after watching, this goes on next, but it has a different bracket on the inside because the computer I'm building is kind of the exact same one that Matt, the beard guy, is building. So he took it off, I'm taking it off. I have a lot of confidence right now because he did it, I can do it. I just know that this back plate's gonna fall off because it fell off on him and we laughed about it. And And I'm not showing you anything in here because his video's a lot more gooder than mine. So I'll have a link in the description below. Yeah, suck that shit. What I was doing is this has a little plug-in on it and I need to know if I have to put it in this way or this way or this way so I can reach my port. So I found my port. When I finish taking off the plate, I have some confidence, not 100%. I know it's just the smallest little thing, but stress is high, people. What if I screwed it up? I'd never know if I screwed it up, never. My back. The CPU, the fan is installed on the CPU, and I double checked it in the instruction manual, and yes, I was supposed to remove that plate. Thank you, Matt. The beard guy, Matt. I'm even scared to cut these stickers off. What if I went too far? Now I'm installing the hard drive. And I already pre-read the instruction manual. I know where it goes. I know if something doesn't fit, I can move a standoff nut. Look at how tiny this little guy is. It's just like a baby. Oh my God. Look at this little fart nugget. And yep, you didn't include a screw, you dumb jerk. Why install a mounting screw when you sold the hard drive, you butthole surfer? Okay, I had these 2 mystery screws and I'm hoping these are the screws to mount that. And it is such a small screw. I mean, it is so small. Will it even fit? Oh my God, don't drop it. So that mystery screw, there's 2 of them. That was for the hard drive. Okay, my next step is to install my RAM. I've already double checked in here and I'm fairly certain I had to put it in. There's 4 memory card slots. A1, A2, B1, B2, and I'm fairly certain I have to put it in A2 and B2. And I say fairly certain because I'm never 100% certain. The hardest part was trying to find where the labels are in that case. But here is my RAM. Ooh. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Done this in 20 years ago. This guy. So I was going to do the graphics card next, but I found out it was never shipped 21 days ago. So it's like having a Christmas present and you can't open it up yet. So I'm gonna be wiring this. Let's face it, I'm gonna be struggling with this, trying to wire it up. I'm just gonna let the camera roll, so that way when I use profanity, you can watch it in action. I wired everything, but you can see that the wires are in. Those little guys were the hardest to figure out, but everything is wired, and now I just have to get that graphics card in there. We have to take off these little slots, and they just have those little spot welds on them. And for this case, all we do is we simply essentially just rip it out. So then there is this guy, and all I do is I just try to break those spot welds a little bit by bending it back and forth, and it pops out. The graphics card is installed. It fit in that little slot just perfect, and all I have to do now is there's some screw holes over there which I have to mount it to the actual case. Our wiring worked. We have lights. Now this is just the power to the motherboard. If we hit the power button, hopefully fans will be spinning and everything will look good. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Look at that! Fans are spinning. Okay, all you have to do is hit the space bar.
The space bar?
Yep, to wake it up.
Is it gonna self-destruct like James Bond? Whoa!
Oh, and the keyboard is colors. Oh, I like colors.
Then the mouse.
Whoa. Cool. Oh, geez, even the sides.
Yep.
Wow. Good job, man.
Yay! That's our new computer. So, in conclusion, the computer's all done. It works great. And just so you know, it's a year later after that last video. It's been a deal, everybody. It's been a big deal. The biggest regret I had was the graphics card. And I found out that the company I ordered it from never shipped it because they didn't have it in stock, and they never told me about it. And of course, I'm not smart enough to double check before I put everything together. Life lesson, don't order computer parts during a pandemic, but everything works great. Let me show you what it looks like now. Kind of looks the same, but it works very well. So the computer itself works great. Everything is good. I have a 4 gig graphics card instead of my initial 8 gig graphics card, but it's okay. It's okay, I'm not angry. Same keyboard, I just changed the mouse out because my wireless mouse was just too laggy. But other than that, everything works great. Yeah, build yourself a computer. If any of you ever thought about building your own computer, it's completely doable. I had no clue what I was doing. I had a little experience, but nothing like this. Check out Matt. Who is Matt? He's on YouTube. He's a beard guy. Very good at what he does. But thanks for watching. Hope this gives you a little confidence, and if not, a couple of giggles at least. So we'll see you next time, everybody. Bye!